We have to go across the courtyard to get to our room. And it's raining, so it's not exactly fun, but it looks interesting if it was dry. She says it's a big room, but we need a key to open it.
Oh, you have to do that over this courtyard. That is easy.
121. Well, so far it's not.
You have to go up some steps.
This isn't it. Oh. We gotta climb the stairs.
Give me this bag.
L'éléphant terrible. Okay, so yeah, we get to climb stairs for our room. Hauling luggage. If you like hauling luggage, then this room's for you. Guess what we learned? We've learned to ask for assistance with the luggage. You know what we learned? Don't film while you're hauling luggage upstairs. That's for me to learn, okay? Welcome to my room at the Marty Hotel, the Tapestry Hotel by Hilton in Bordeaux. And it's kind of downtown, a little bit outside of the old district, the old town. Let me show you around the room. I paid roughly 33,000 Hilton points per night with this hotel. All right, we have a balcony room, and on the first floor, we had to go upstairs and haul luggage to get up here. So ask for assistance to move your luggage if you need assistance, because you have to go up a flight of stairs. There's no elevator. So as you first come in, there's like a small entryway here. And we have a large closet to put all your coats and shoes. No iron in here that I can see. And immediately in here, you have a king bed. And you have USB-C and USB charging ports on each side of the bed. And regular power. But you have the individual lights, and then you have the room lights and the phone. Small table, which is, well, I wish it was bigger. And then you have a little reading light here for your bed, which is kind of cool. Cool lighting fixture. Looks like a 50-inch flat screen TV. And again, you have the same over here for your power. But they took the power for the clock on this one. But you still have USB-C and USB for charging. Luggage rack, 2 chairs and a table, and they gave us some of these snacks for a welcome gift as a Diamond member. You have hot water kettle and Nescafe, tea, cups, and you have a mini bar down here and a safe. Oh wow. I don't know if that's free or not. I would assume it's free, but who knows? They didn't tell us what it was or not, so. And outside, we have a terrace, balconies, with room for coffee, chairs, and table for 2. It overlooks the courtyard there. I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom looks modern and new. You walk in, you got porcelain coated tin cups, I guess. That's kind of a nice touch. Nice modern wash basin, hand lotion, and you have hand soap and lotion, and you have a mirror. I don't know what that's for. Heated floors, maybe? Could be heated floors. For your razor and for another electrical outlet. And you got washcloths, hand towels, and towels, and a hair dryer. And then you've got your toilet over here with the window, and your towel rack, and then a rain shower with soap, shampoo, and conditioner. So that's my room review at the Marty Hotel, a Hilton Tapestry Collection. And I get breakfast in the morning, and I will show you that. And that's downstairs in the bar area. There is no restaurant on site, on property, and they recommended a few other places that we could go to eat. So keep that in mind. There is no restaurant on hotel property, but they do provide breakfast, and I'll show you that. That's the heat of the eggs. Here is the room, 5th floor, a king deluxe room, non-balcony room. You see it's overlooking the town here. Or down there you'll see the balcony rooms, some of them. I believe that's the Marty. Yep. See how they have to go in and out to different buildings. Well, the problem is with those buildings down there, everybody smokes in those rooms. They smoke and smoke and smoke, and they take and open their doors all the time, and the smoke comes up. If you're on a top floor and you're on a bottom, that comes up into your room. So it sucks. But this is a similar type room, king bed, same thing. Exactly the same, except it doesn't have a balcony. And here's you have USB charging ports everywhere, so that's cool. So it's the same room, basically, but we moved rooms because there were smokers in and out of our room, and it looks like they were smoking. This bathroom is slightly smaller in respect to the room size, but it's the same type setup here, but your towel rack's over here, and the toilet's here. There's not a separate space for the toilet, so it's a smaller bathroom area. Same setup for the rain shower, but this is how this is set up. It's still nice and adequate. It's just slightly smaller. Just thought you'd know. Thought you'd like to know that. Here's a list for the Marty items for their small bites to eat, I guess. You can order. And there's the prices. So, that's why we moved. Final thoughts. Well, for this hotel, the bed's really comfortable. Shower's nice and hot. And the staff is nice as well. At least with the 5th floor room in the main building, you don't have to cross and haul your luggage upstairs. There's not a lot of elevators in the main building, so you have to haul your luggage up the stairs, but it's 1 floor, so